Good morning, students. Today we will start new chapter using mail merge. Okay, now open your book, page number 29. This is a feature of MS Word. We often write letters to people to convey different kinds of information. However, the letters require the name and address of each recipient to be printed on the top. So changing the address each time would be a very long process and wastage of time and effort. So with this feature, this is very important feature of MS Word, we cannot type letters again and again if you want to send any same message to you or different people. So we cannot need to type again and again. With this feature, we can make it very easily. This feature Word is used to combine a data source which contains address of all recipients in the main document. Saves our time and energy to send letters and multiple addresses. First is data source. We have to know about data source. It consists of a mailing list. This is the mailing list of our 4 friends, which we have to send the same message to all the 4 friends. So we have to include this in data source. Data is organized in tabular form along with the field name. These are the field names. You can see name, address, city, PIN, telephone number. The data source is associated with the main document so that its field name can be used in the main document and it becomes easy to merge addresses with the main document. There is one let's know more point field. What is field? Is a column in a data source that contains one type of information like name, address and city. Record is a row in a data sheet. Number of fields make one record. Next is main document. After arranging the data in a data source file, we have to prepare one main document. That message we have to convey our recipient. It contains the text that you wish to send to all the recipients. Next is merge field. After that, we have to merge these two points, the data source and main document. After merging, that merge letter will be prepared. It is a data item such as name, address, city, PIN, etc., which instructs Microsoft Word about where to insert the data source, name, address, information in the main document, wherever they are prepared. Mail merge involves 3 basic steps. So how can we merge our mail? We have to follow these 3 steps. First, we have to creating a main document, specifying data source. After that, merging the data source with the main document. Now let's know more. Data source can be created in Word database file or it can be created in another application like Excel or Access. Like creating a mail merge document, how can we create? First we have to create mail merge document. How can we create? First we have to create a main document. Create a new document and type a letter or open an existing letter in a Word that you want to send it different people to the different addresses. First we have to type that letter. That click on the mailing tab and start mail merge group. Drop down arrow and select the step-by-step mail merge wizard. After mail merge task pane appears on the right side of the application window, you can see this is the mail merge window. Then select the letter radio button under the select document option. Next, click on next starting document under the step 1 to 6 section at the bottom of the task pane. New task pane appears on the screen. You can see this is the new task pane. After that, we have to click on the use the current document radio button under select starting document section. Then click on next, select recipient under second to 2. Another task pane appears showing option for defining recipient list. After that, creating a recipient list. How can we create recipient list. First we have typed that letter and have to create a new mailing list. Select the type of new list, radio button. Select recipient section in the mail merge task pane. Then new address list dialog box will appear on the screen as shown in the figure. Click on customize column. Then enter data in the respective fields and click on the new entry button located at the bottom left of the dialog box. This is the new entry button. Then enter 4 records of your friends and relatives, their first name, last name and company name, their addresses, all the records we have to fill of all the friends or relatives. Then click on OK button. You will get the save address list dialog box. After that, specify a name in the field name text box and click on the save button. The mail merge recipient dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. This dialog box displays the details of all the records that added by you. To change any detail, you can select the data source. Click on the edit button located under data source box. When you are through, click on OK. To confirm, close the window. Next, that you note that by default tick mark are placed on the checkboxes next to the data source field. You can see here it gives indication that records are added. If you do not want to send the letters to a particular address, just click on that specific checkbox to deselect. Then after that, click on OK. Now click on the next write letter to your friend wizard at steps 3 to 6 section in the mail merge task pane. After that, inserting merge fields. Okay children, now we have done page number 29 and 30. First you have to practice those steps. First you have to prepare main document, type the letter and save it. After following that steps, then after that you have to prepare data source file. Okay, all the relative database you have to prepare. After that we will do inserting. How can we merge that two data point, the data source and main document? How can we merge? This we will do in our next class. Okay, first do practical practice at your home. Watch this video again and again and follow the steps. Try to make data source and main document. Okay, first you have to prepare those 2 points. After that we will merge fields. Okay, now I will send you worksheet for homework.